Dzień dobry, good afternoon everybody. So today it's a day that I come back already in Poznan. It's big city life, and making a video a bit late today because I had my art class, and after my art class we have a lunch with my Asian friends. So we were out to the one Thai restaurant close by here in Bangkok. And then yeah, we talk until 6 hours, and now it's time to make a video. Basically, so we are in a Plac Wolnoschi, and then my class is over there as usual, is in the area of the American embassy. And then surprisingly, like now there is an exhibition here in the Plac Wolnoschi. I think that kind of market actually, like some of the stalls with the Italian products. So yeah, I'll show you what it is. Right, so I just finished my class, and after my class I just had a dinner with my Thai friends, and then it has been late, so now it's time to make a video. Especially now I am in a Plac Wolnoschi. So today is quite a different day. Seems like today is Italian festival here in the Plac Wolnoschi. As you see that there are so many Italian products here, just like this one. So many cheese, I think sausage from Sardegina, something like that. So nice. And then over there also cheese, and then sausage, something like that. That one is Italian food, saustissimo. I think this one is the Italian sweet. This one croissant. This one I think that Italian cheese as well. Wow, people are hanging out here. Even my husband said that during Christmas will be the Christmas market here, but now seems like there are so many Italian products, especially just like this. I think that cheese, meat, yeah, and spices, something like that. And here also Italian bread. Seems interesting. It's just like many people are here. Maybe we will have something to eat here. Look at the bread. They have focaccia. They have a pasta. But it's just like a long queue. Let's see. I think this one is the Italian sweets. Oh, olive. I think this one is the olive one. Olive and herbs. And then salami. Many nice things. Right. And here another one is the Italian cheese, Italian meat as well. Nice area of the Plac Wolnoschi in the afternoon. Some restaurant I think that's already open for dinner. And look at the building, the apartment on the top. And yeah, I think that this one next to me is the Empik. And I think that my Thai friend said that this one is the oldest Empik bookstore that in Poznan. and this is basically the center of like a restaurant, center of many things. And yeah, you see like some restaurant already opening the chairs outside. And yeah, so let's stroll around. So just another day in Poznan, Poland. I really like to see, you know, sightseeing and see the building here, architecture, and then see the roads construction gonna finish soon, and it's enjoyable to walk. What I like about here in Poznan is that even it's this big city, it's like this one, you see that it's very enjoyable to walk, clean footpath, and then I feel safe and I feel like it's very enjoyable. Many a brand new building is just like this one in front of me. I think this one is another center of the business district here in the area of the Platformnosty, and offices and the shop, and I think that one is Urzon. So many new things here. So walking and sightseeing in the afternoon. That's the church behind me, and that's in front of me is the park Zamek, and my another favorite park, Adam Mickiewicz Park, and this one is the theater, and this one is the Ulica Frederick. I just show you around. I don't know, I really like to stroll around every day. This is just like my everyday walk. So yeah, it's very nice theater. And yeah, this is basically the situation. I think this time is around 6 p.m. You know, people mostly after work in the afternoon, walking, sightseeing, enjoying the time here. A few days ago when we were away and I didn't make video and I didn't upload video, and my family in Bali already worried that what's going on. So yeah, I made a video every single day for those of you who are interested in how it's like living in Europe, especially living in Poland. And I make it especially also for my family in Bali, so they know it's how I am in Poland, because they always worried, you know that in the media saying about this and that, war, not safe. But yeah, so far what I feel whenever I walk, and I'm enjoying so far, it's enjoyable. Topic that we discussed today when we had lunch with my Asian friend is that about moving to Poland. Mostly people asking us when we are Asian, why Poland? So yeah, we all agree is that for the better life, I mean like a better education, because like my friend said, here is education is free in terms of if you have a family and you grow a family here, education is good and healthcare is also system good. And if we compare with like Bali, Indonesia, or Thailand, for example, because we both agree that life standard is much better from the Bali and Thailand. So yeah, why Poland? Because our husband is coming from Poland. Really like to go to the Mickiewicz Park or any other kind of parks here, because literally like wherever you go, like few meters already green, and it's big city life but enjoyable. Just like this example in front of me, that's the Adam Mickiewicz Park, and then that's the theater, and we walk few meters, right? It's not like very far, already another park, another city park like this, and over there is actually children playground. So everywhere is green, everywhere is children playground, family friendly place. So yeah, what do you ask for more, right? We are on a Kolsjelna Street. It's beautiful church in the front, and yeah, this is actually how is my neighborhood. So it's time to go shopping, and I'm shopping. After shopping, and now I would like to show you my fridge. So as usual, after being in my mother-in-law's house, there are so many stuff that my mother-in-law prepared for me. Even I told sometimes, Mama, it's okay, no need to cook so many food. But yes, always something from my mother-in-law. That's the symbol of her love from the food. I'll show you what is it inside my fridge today. All of this is actually coming from my mother-in-law. The jars, everything like this one, the pears, the ogurki. So yeah, jams and everything. Here it is inside the fridge. Damian's Coke, Pepsi, his unhealthy drinks, but he loves it. Most important thing is my mom-in-law's pierogies. And oops, so many food here for my mother-in-law. I am the luckiest daughter of my mother-in-law. What I can say that I'm so thankful, so I'm so grateful, so much love from my husband family. So what I ask for more? Everything is here. I'm happy. I think that's all my video today. Thanks for watching. And now it's time to cook for dinner because Damian will go home soon. So yeah, bye. See you tomorrow.